So welcome to Challenge the Road. We're here at Unique Vehicle Repairs with Matt Lewis. We've just been round this Subaru. I'm going to have this totally restored. So it's an R-Reg, so 1998 car. It's got a lightweight bonnet actually. So we're going to respray the whole car because one, it got keyed. Look at that, not very nice. All the way. Then I thought, right, I might as well just get this resprayed. So the plan is to get it back to original finish. So I'm going to go with the same colour. I had a feeling that I might change it. I was thinking, should I change it? I've got some Super Turismo gold wheels. And then maybe I might put it on collecting cars. I'm not sure. I think it's done about 100,000 kilometres, maybe a little bit more, so about 60,000 miles, so it's a good one. I just love the idea of restoring these cars back to how they would have been in the day. And this one's just a little bit tired. It's actually imported. I'd probably spray those mirrors. Yeah, it's imported, I think, from New Zealand, this. I love that high rear wing, but you see how poor the paint is now, and Matt's going to do a fantastic job on this. So what I'll do is I'll leave this now because they're going to now take this car, strip it down, repaint it. We'll get lots of footage of that, and then yeah, it's another exciting project. Right, Matt, come on, go through it. How are we doing?
All right, mate. A bit dusty. So yes,
bit of rust here.
This is the worst corner. So got to cut all this out, cut the arch out, replace it all.
It's quite common on these Subarus.
Very common.
Yeah.
It's just build up water. It's trapped up behind here. Other than that, a bit of rust on this side. It's in the same place. Then basically it's all scratches and things we've got to remove for salt.
Doesn't look too bad, does it?
No, it's all right.
It's all right. I thought these sometimes go, don't they?
Yeah, no, they're all good. It's all in good nick. Not bad.
It looks pretty good. Where's that paint you done? Oh, it's over here. Oh, these are all the bumpers and everything.
Yeah, the bumpers are all there. There's the colour. I've just mixed up 300 grams just to show you.
So what's your next stage?
Getting rid of all the paint.
Just rubbing it all down there, yeah, down.
Prime it up, rub it all down again, and paint it. Do you want me to raise the up higher?
That's okay. Oh, it's pretty good, isn't it? So next stage is I'll come back and you would have rubbed all this down, and then we'll see where we are.
Yeah.
Here we are at Matt's. Let's go in. Oh, there's the Aston. Just had a good catch up with Matt actually about the cars, how we're doing. So I had a lot of comments about this going to this Dakar type spec, but what I've decided, I'm maybe not going to do that. I'm going to keep it as it is, but change the front spoiler and take these canards off and put the original S on there. And then I think I'll change the wheel colour and maybe the calipers. Let's come round here, just get a better image. Yeah, change the wheel colour to maybe a gold, a Porsche gold. Change the calipers, take it down to elites and do that, because, and it looks good here, but on pictures it doesn't come across. The front spoiler doesn't look great. So I'm going to get it looking a bit more standard, apart from obviously the rear wing. And then, well, take it on some road trips, I think. BMW here. Mercedes, right. Bit of noise through here because this is where the Subaru's having the arches done, because there was quite a bit of rust. So you'll see over there, and the Subaru's up here. Let's just have a look. So the Subaru's up here, and it's quite common on these to have a bit of rust on this side. So they're doing the arches here. You can see where it was keyed actually on the previous ones, previous videos. Yeah, it's a bit of an investment doing this, but I do like Subarus and I like bringing cars back. Let's just go round and have a look and see what's going on here. Here are the arches, so new arches are here, and they're just measuring up. And then that will go on there. They have sprayed some of the parts. I'll put up some of the photos and videos they've been doing for me already. But apart from that, the car is pretty good. It's just a shame it got keyed, and then I just thought, oh, let's just do the whole thing. Why not? Don't know what we're going to do with the car yet. Whether I'm going to keep it or sell it, or it's interesting seeing in here when it's like this, isn't it? I'm looking forward to this being all redone. There's a Focus here. This is being resprayed, I think, the whole car. The car's come back from Matt's, is absolutely stunning. I'm really pleased with this. I know it's a big investment to restore a car, to bring it back to life. It's something I wanted to do. Probably never get my money back, but that wasn't the point. The point was, these were like my dream car. This is an R-Reg 98. I had a 95 Colin McRae, Series McRae car before this. And then back in the day, I had a 2000 car, which was my favourite. So this is one of my all-time favourite Imprezas. And my favourite wheel is a gold Super Turismo, which you've got on the car today. I'm actually looking forward to driving this car. Couple of bits to do. We've got to get some stickers. There's a bit on the fender down here we need, because when you take a car apart, you're always going to get bits missing. But I don't know what you guys think. I think it's come up amazing. The blue is fantastic, and it's just nostalgic to the time that I loved Subaru, loved Colin McRae, loved rallying, loved everything about Subaru Impreza. We're going to bring the GR Yaris in a bit and just put it with the Subaru Impreza, because that's the car of the time now. But the Subaru Impreza was the car of my time. I mean, I use this for golf, fishing, anything, because you got 4 doors, 4-wheel drive, meant you could drive anywhere. I love the look of the car, and you see at the first part of the video, I said that I'd, may sell the car, put it on collecting cars, because I didn't know what to do with it, and I didn't know how it would sort of look when you're looking at something that's a 1998 car, but I think it looks fantastic. There's more to do inside. Need to just tidy up the wheels. Actually, I think I'm short of centre caps, which I am. If anyone knows where I can get Oz centre caps, that would help me. I love the spoiler on the car. This is like a 99 spoiler, so the original car would have had a lower spoiler, but I remember like selling parts for Subarus and trying to get that wing, because that was the wing I wanted. Everything else on the car seems pretty original, which is great. It has got a lightweight bonnet, but the actual car driving it feels like an original car. So next stage is a big cleaning for Lewis at Elite Finishes to do the engine. I mean, it looks okay, but it could do with a really nice clean. I haven't got the original cover here because it was just really old. I don't know if I can get another one somewhere. Someone might know someone in Imprezas that I can get that. But otherwise, it's just, it's a clean, tidy example. I'm pleased I resprayed it in the same colour. I was thinking of maybe going for a different blue, but I'm pleased I've done that, because then it just all matches up inside to the original car. And actually, the blues come up really well. I really, really like that. This has got some sort of PPF. You probably see that, I don't know if you see that on the camera, but it's got like PPF on the lights, which must be quite old, but that's great, because you used to have like protectors you put on these Imprezas. I remember back in the day cleaning them, you clean the protector, they clipped on, but the lights did have, sometimes get stone chips. I like the big fog lights here. I'll probably update the plates just to a slightly newer one, but otherwise it's really good in here. I thought it would be great to put them together You know, this is the modern rally icon of the time. I know we've got other, you know, rally icons, Mitsubishi, etc., but this is now the car, and I'm so glad that Toyota made this car, and it's really, really nice to drive now. I know we've made a few modifications. I probably may even go back to the original spring rates, but because we've been using it on the track, it has been really enjoyable. As far as a Subaru Impreza, I still love the look of it, and I think some cars just suit colours. Like, I think the triple layer pearl paint in white on this is the best one, and I think the blue and the gold goes so well, and I do like the dark blue, but obviously if this was white it just wouldn't look right. So big thank you to Matt for helping with getting this project done, and we're bringing back another Subaru Impreza to life. We've got the 2 Lancia Deltas we're doing, and I'll try and bring you some footage on that. I know this wasn't a massively long video and in depth, but trying to enjoy my hobby at the same time as bringing videos. I think going forward, I'm probably going to keep the car, because I know I had some comments on previous videos. People go, Richard, they might want to buy the Lancia, because I said it might be for sale, and the Escort Cosworth, which is the same, which is fine. I am looking at selling them, but I think for now this is a keeper. I think it goes well with 22B and the WRC.